another tutorial, I guess. A takedown of the half up, half down, quick weave style. So before we get to the takedown part, I just wanted to tell you guys my review on this $10 hair. So personally, I'm like a human hair girl, you know, I just can't do with all the matting and all the brushing they had to do. I was constantly at work brushing my hair all day. You can see it's so stiff. I don't like hair like that. So this is definitely hair that I would probably just use for like a special occasion if I wanted to be really cheap, you know, and have like a cute quick hairstyle. Definitely would use that for like, you know, if you're going to a wedding or birthday party, something where you're just gonna have the hairstyle for one day. Definitely I would recommend this. Like at first it was really soft and then, you know, it's synthetic, so it just, as the days go by and you're sleeping, it's just horse. It's like Barbie hair. So yeah, we're gonna get into this takedown. Oh, and also my head is itching. Oh, I'm really ready to take this crap out. It is, I haven't even had it in all week. When did I do my hair? I did my hair on Sunday and it's Friday, the next Friday. So didn't even last me a week. I can't do it. Like I just can't deal with that. Just look, just baby doll. Time to go. Okay, so let's get into it. So first things first, either use one of two things. You can remove the wax and the glue by using Super Bond hair remover. It's 30 seconds. I'm probably gonna end up using this because I feel like it works faster than the next option, which is any kind of conditioner, and this is Cantu that I don't use. So any conditioner that's cheap. I don't know if this is cheap anymore. I don't know how much this costs, but it was just in my closet. So after, I do have some glue residue remover shampoo. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need it or if I'm gonna use it, but I do have that too. So let's get into it, like I said. Okay, remove the bobby pins, and then I'm gonna remove the top part because obviously, remember, I didn't glue in the ponytail part, just the back. So hopefully this doesn't take long. It shouldn't take long. I put so many bobby pins in my hair, like it's ridiculous. My head feels lighter. This hair is not even heavy. How many bobby pins do I have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13 bobby pins in my head. Okay, so it says that this is for professional use only, but they sell it in the beauty supplies, so I'm a professional today, okay? So what you do, you turn up the little nozzle. You're going to just apply it to the track, right? And you're gonna wait for it to loosen. It takes 30 seconds for it to loosen up. And then you just remove it. Don't pull it, but just gently slide it off your head. Do not pull it, or you're gonna take out your hair. And then like after, with the residue of it, you just use a fine tooth comb to go through. See, it's already loosened. Well, it's loosening little by little. The side, the end. Still not loose. But this track is basically off, and yeah. Voila, no hair came off. And so I'm gonna just keep doing that all throughout for every track. And well, first I'm gonna show you guys how to do it with conditioner. I literally do the same thing, saturate that thing right there, saturate this track, and kind of just, this is the messier version of the actual remover. I feel like I have more slip with the actual bond remover. I feel like it's gonna be faster to use that. So we're not gonna use the Kinky conditioner because I ain't got time. I want this off, okay? So yeah, so I'm just gonna go in and remove these tracks. I don't even know, I think I did 2 bundles. Yeah, I did 2 bundles in the back. So I don't know how many tracks I have. Hopefully it's not a lot because I really just want to wash my head. Bam. That only took me about 15 minutes to take out. The Super Hair Bond Remover works so fast. Normally I would have, like when I do quick weave styles, I use a wig cap. I've never done the half up, half down. So I would normally never put the glue on my hair like that. But I did use the hairspray to protect my hair from the glue on, but yes, there is still glue residue in here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to like saturate my hair with the conditioner that I was gonna use to take the stuff out, and I'm just going to go in on my moisturized hair and just comb the glue out. And hopefully I don't need to use the shampoo, the glue residue shampoo. Hopefully me just combing it out takes it out, because I really didn't put that much glue in my hair to begin with. Like those tracks came out so easily because I didn't use that much glue for one. So now I'm just going through everywhere that I combed on the perimeter and just checking to see if there's still any more glue in there. The top is really sticky, so I'm definitely gonna go in, not even the top of my hair, that's the middle. So I'm definitely gonna have to go in with the glue residue remover shampoo. Wash with this. I'm going to wash off camera because I'm gonna wash my hair in the sink. I have used this before. I'm just gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna use this to get all that glue out, and then I'm gonna get another comb that doesn't have any glue on it and comb the excess glue out. Then I'm going to wash my hair with the regular shampoo and conditioner. Probably deep condition. Yeah, not probably. Definitely gonna deep condition. So yeah, thanks for watching part 2, the takedown. Guys, I know I'm just like touching my hair. It is so like, I don't know if you can see my hands. You can hear it. It's disgusting. So I really want this stuff off. That's the only, well, not the only con, but that's the con of this glue. Is it's super sticky, it's super messy. Like, to me, it stinks. When you're putting it on, it stinks. I'm not gonna lie, it smells like fish. And it's just a lot. If you would like to try it, girl. Just make sure you have the proper things to take it out, and make sure you detangle and take the glue out properly so that you're not breaking off your hair and damaging your hair. That's all I have for y'all for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.